Looking to breathe new life into your aging ASUS ROG laptop? Today, we're checking out the ATEC 16GB DDR3 memory kit, specifically designed for models like the G20BM, G46VW, G751JT, and G75EW. If you're still rocking one of these machines, you know that RAM can be a serious bottleneck. This kit comes with two 8GB SODIMM modules, running at a speed of 1,600 MHz. It's PC3-12800 and operates at the standard DDR3 voltage of 1.5V. Installation is straightforward. ATEC designed this kit for easy install, so even if you're not a tech whiz, you should be able to pop these in without much trouble. Just consult your laptop's manual for the correct slots and channel configuration. The difference this upgrade makes is noticeable. With 16 GB of RAM, the system can handle multitasking with ease. Programs load faster, and you'll experience fewer stutters when running demanding applications or games. It's a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan of your laptop and improve its overall performance. ATEC also emphasizes quality control, putting these modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. Plus, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that ATEC stands behind their product. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost the performance of your compatible ASUS ROG laptop, the ATEC 16GB DDR3 kit is definitely worth considering. It's a solid upgrade that delivers tangible results.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.